All right, here is a quick update for Ethereum. The pattern that I gave yesterday, in effect, this upward pointing wedge, it's still in progress basically. And if you count the waves, it seems to be nearly complete, maybe already complete. It can be counted as A, B, C, D, and E. And E might move a little bit more to the right before it finishes peaking. And if that's the case, then there is going to be likely a decline. So, I guess if you're looking at a fractal, you can almost see it right here, this yellow one. The only difference is that this occurred on a uptrend while this is on a downtrend. Regardless of the trend, what I'm trying to say is that the triangle can become invalidated, just like it did here. But then, oh boy, did it come right back down. But it was really just a corrective measure, even then. So I guess what I'm saying is that this can be invalidated if price decisively breaks out and above the upper trend line of the triangle, of the wedge. So that is a fractal point compared to this. And if that's the case, we need to keep an eye on that. The other potential is that yes, it can come back, break out just like it did here, and come right back down, hit the 0.786 or lower, and still hit the 461. I mean, this is the minimum one of this head and shoulders top. So we don't necessarily have to hit it, but I'd like to see that hit. But that won't happen if there is a breakout in price that'll breach the upper line of the upward pointing wedge, just like it did here. So we need to keep an eye on these two fractals and see how they behave. So on a longer term perspective, I still remain to the fact that, so right now, if you're looking at the bull flag, there are a lot of lines here, I know, but if you're looking at the purple bull flag trend lines, price is right now at the top, sitting right at the top of that. And this small wedge is what we were looking at right here. This wedge, which appears very tiny, is exactly what we're looking at. And if the MACD turns down one more time to get close to the apex, price will follow this downwards, hitting probably the 0.786 zone. So what do we need? I think what I'm saying here is that the breakout here of the breaching the upper trend line of the wedge pattern will equate to breaking and breaching the upper purple line of the bull flag trend line, and that'll be a breakout. If that happens, great. But given where the MACD is here right now, MACD is sitting right below. If this breaks out also, great. That'll support the breakout in the price. But I think price will come down one more time with the MACD, because that probably will bring and allow the price to get that much closer to the apex. And the scenario of this going down to 0.786 and then doing the breakout would be, I think, far more bullish. All right, I hope you found this to be helpful. Have a great day.